Hey everyone, welcome back to Upward Tutorial, where we help students like you study smarter, stay motivated, and crush your exams. If you've been struggling to remember what you read or you feel like your study time just disappears with no results, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm revealing 5 secret study techniques you've never tried before, and trust me, these aren't your typical highlight and reread tricks. These are real brain-hacking methods that top students use to study less but remember more. So grab your notebook, because you'll want to try these today. Direct hit, let's dive right in. Technique 1, the blurting method. First up, the blurting method. Here's how it works. After studying a topic, close your book, and try to blurt out everything you remember, out loud or on paper. Then go back and see what you missed. This method forces your brain to recall information, and active recall is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen memory. Quick tip, you can do this after each chapter or even before a test. The more you blurt, the better your recall. Try it tonight, you'll be shocked how well you remember. Technique 2, interleaving. Instead of studying one subject for hours, mix topics. For example, 30 minutes of math, 30 minutes of biology, then 30 minutes of history. Why? Because your brain learns to switch gears, and this strengthens problem solving and memory. It's like gym training, if you only train one muscle, you get tired. Mix it up and you'll learn better and faster. Pro tip, use a timer and rotate subjects, it keeps your brain fresh. Technique 3, the Feynman technique. This one's simple but powerful. After studying something, pretend you're teaching it to a 10-year-old. Explain it in the simplest language possible. If you get stuck, that means you don't understand it well enough. Go back, study, and simplify again. When you can explain something simply, you truly understand it. This turns confusion into clarity. Try it before your next exam, you'll become a master of your subjects. Technique 4, spaced repetition. Don't cram the night before. Instead, review your notes at increasing intervals, like after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 14 days. Your brain forgets things quickly, but every time you review, you reset the forgetting curve. Use free apps like Anki or Notion flashcards, they remind you exactly when to review. Study less, remember more, that's the secret. Technique 5, environment anchoring. Your brain links information to your environment. So if you study in different places, your brain builds multiple memory cues. Try studying one chapter at your desk, another in the library, and one at a cafe or outdoors. This makes your memory more flexible, and improves recall in exam halls. Pro tip, change lighting, location, or even background sound, each setting becomes a trigger for memory.